cats that can't wait for their fish to cool down. It's still very, very, very hot. Some of them are trying to pull out the fish, but it's hot. They cannot even try to shred it for themselves yet. But they're shouting, asking for it, so I placed it on the floor for them to look at that it's still hot, to experience that it's still hot. See? It's more than 1 kilo of fish. I bought it for them so that they'd be able to taste again their favorite food. See the faces? They're waiting for that. Mama Kiss said that it's still hot. See, the other one is trying to. But you won't believe. See, it's hot. Yes, that's yes. The newly neutered. This is the one who's having cough, and I have observed when I bought cooked fish at the Carinderia, he gladly ate it. So I decided to buy fish now for them. That's their favorite, the barilis, because when you shred it, it will really go into smaller pieces, and they can even eat it with rice. Babe, it's still hot. Mama Kiss told you it's still hot. Yes? What's that? They are very irritated already because they want to eat. This is healthy. That's Keen. That's George. That's Pound. That's Frank. That's Smooth, the youngest. That's Jade. This is Doe. And this is Warm. That's Kisses, and that's Yes. And this is Eve. What will we do now? Isn't it more logic if we will wait for it to cool down? Mama Kiss will shred it anyway for you. Guys? See? You can't eat as well. You keep on shouting. You keep on demanding to eat when it's still very, very hot. Kisses? What now? We will try again to pick up the fish. 1. All of you have learned your lesson. Ibig. Dodo, what do you want? Who's not here? Kuya Sassy is not here. Sassy. The other tuxedo. Makmak. Max is not here. Makmak. There's fish makmak. Almost ready to be served. Mak. Then na. Fiang. Papaw. See? It's still hot. Smush. Oh, what? Huh? Have you realized it's hot? Wam, you're trying to pick it up? Okay. Let's see how brave you are. Up. Told you so. It's still very hot. Told you so, guys. Fiang, you've learned your lesson, Fiang. Frank has been trying to pick it up a while ago. And it's hot. See. Hi. Papa. Dodo. She really likes to eat it. Hi. Mom. I told you it's hot. You won't believe. Your curiosity wins. So let it be. Ah, let your curiosity. See if she can get that one. Ah, Wam. Aww. It's delicious. It's in front of you, but you still can't eat it. What's happening? Ah, the other ones are waiting for it to cool down. This one, because she just came to the group. That's why she did not realize it's still very hot. Not very hot, because the steaming smoke is not visible that much. That's all for now, guys. Later they'd be able to eat it.